Hey, to restore all default settings on your Realme GT6, it actually means that we are gonna perform the reset of the smartphone. First of all, you will have to navigate into the settings. Then, when you will start probably from this screen, from the upper section of the settings. But you will have to navigate all the way down. You will have to select additional settings and go into the backup and the reset. And now, just remember that resetting your phone and bring back all the default settings will remove everything from your phone, like the photos, videos, all the messages, phone calls history, like just everything. So be sure that you perform the backup. For example, you can do this right here. You can also previously move this data from this phone to another phone. And also it's recommended to remove your SIM card. It's the SIM slot is located right here under the silicone case. And if you are sure that you really want to restore default settings, go to the reset phone, select erase all data, click erase data, and now just do this one more time. As you can see now, when you click on it one more time, it will actually erase all data, and this cannot be undone. So just keep it in mind. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.